Hey guys, it's Curse the Feel Up Monster fan here. Welcome to another rant to share. This rant is all about Power Birds. Now, I'm going to give you reasons why I hate this show. In my opinion, one, this show is a superhero version of Pete and the Big Wide World. This show was a rip-off to Wonder Pets, just like Pet Squad. This show about two heroes named two birds look like superheroes, and they like to go awful missions. Haze looks kind of bad, and Polly looks way worse than Haze. And the villains, well, I like the villains, especially the owl. Well, uh, uh, oh, sorry. Before Power Burst was about to launch in Universal Kids and Pinko, the pilot was show that this is what Haze and Holly look like. I mean, oh my god, look at these two. Glee. I want to throw me up. The animation was bad. The theme song was so annoying, and the whole show looked bad. I hope the show gets canned soon after the final season on Universal Kids. And Thomas and Friends Rodriguez knew was no Pet Squad 2022. If you dare bash my opinion, I will bash yours back. Do you know who likes this show? Thomas and Friends Rodriguez knew was no Pet Squad fan 2022. They like this show. Well, they both suck. Do you know? Me and Amber they you can jump in the TV and kill these characters. So screw Power Burst and screw Pet Squad. Both Wonder Pets and Pete and the Big Wire are so many times better than this show. Right, and Pet Squad fan 2022 and Thomas Prince Rodriguez knew us know. If you dare comment on my video, I'm about to dislike it all. To watch Lot Monster, Jojo and Grand. Anyways, thank you for watching. Goodbye.